Hello everyone, it's me Devar Prandre and welcome to Team Yellow Dragon. In this video we are going to create a quiz or a test in which in which it will send back an answer if it's correct or wrong. So we are going to make a card and in that card there's going to be a form. And if that question is answered correctly, then it's going to say correct, and if it's wrong, then it's going to say wrong. So let's get started. So let's create a folder from command prompt. So I'll just cd into desktop and I will make a directory called test, or let's just say form. Here we go. And now let's cd into form. Here we go, and let's just code into it. Yeah. Here we go. It'll take a time to load. Yeah. Now let's create our index.html. So, and let's make our main.js. Just taking some time. Here we go. Oops. It's not. Oh, sorry. Here we go. Okay, now let's create a basic template. And now let's just name this form. Now let's make a dot card container. And now let's make and now let's just wrap it inside dot wrap. Here we go. And now let's just give them some. Okay. Okay, so now let's make a h1 and let's just name it 1 plus 1 plus 1. And over here, let's make our input. Type text. ID is going to be input 1. Let's make our input type submit. And let's just keep it on click. And now let's just name it Q1. Here we go. Now let's make, oops. And now let's make end result. So that is going to be h1, and it's going to say it's going to have an ID called final answer, or just let's say answer 1. Here we go. Now the other thing we have to do is that we have to defer our script. So, and we have to just script source. We have to just link our script to the HTML, and we have to defer it. So, and now let's come out and let's type defer. Here we go. Now let's dock main.js down, and okay, here we go. And now let's just start coding. So function, let's just name it function. And now let's just start coding. So function, 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 let's just start coding. So fun q1 is going to have value. So variable input, and that's going to be document dot get element by id, which is going to be input 1 dot value. Here we go. And if input is equal to 2, then answer, then answer 1. So document.get element by id, and the id will be answer 1 dot inner HTML, which is going to be correct. And now let's just create another else statement. Else document dot get element by id is going to be answer 1 dot inner HTML, please try again. So now let's run this with our live server. So here you can see it works. Now let's just try doing the styling. Okay, so now I'm going to use a font called Poppins, and its link is fonts.google.com/specimen Poppins. Here we go. Let's select light 300. Let's select the style. Let's link this to HTML. And let's link it over here. Okay, now let's make a new folder. Let's name it style. Now let's make a new file in style, which is going to be style.scss. Here we go. After we do that, let's go down over here. Let's link our CSS, and let's link this in style.css. Here we go. And now let's just click on this and let's watch Sass. Here we go. Now let's go to body and let's font family. Let's say font family, and it's gonna be Poppins. Oops. Let's see if that has worked. Let's go to a form. Yeah, it has worked. Let's make the background color. To hashtag F4F4F4, which is this. I don't know why it's not working. Here we go. That's working. And let's say H1. And let's give this H1 a style over here. Let's give this a class. Class should be the text and dot text font size, and that should be equal to, let's see, 23px. Let's type over here something. Here we go. That's small, but let's make it more small, like 17px. So let's say 4. Here we go. And if we say 2, it will work. Yeah, it will work. So thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and ring the bell for instant notifications.